Weetbix and mango smoothie bowl. Right, hello and welcome back to Gotta Eat Breakfast Edition. Today we are making Weetbix and mango smoothie bowl. Another quick and easy recipe to start your day off just right. What you're gonna need is you are going to need 2 Weet-bix, frozen mangoes, milk, honey, double thick Greek yogurt, and then to top it off, blueberries, granadilla, toasted coconut chips, and almonds. Right, what you're gonna need is your trusty NutriBullet. You're gonna add all the ingredients together and you're gonna blitz it up. Let's take our mangoes into your NutriBullet. Right. Your double thick Greek yogurt. Right, milk, and your honey. Right, if you don't have a NutriBullet, don't fret. You can make this dish with any sort of blender. Pop your lid on. Make sure it's on tight. You don't want it to go loose and go everywhere. Technical term. Give it a bit of a shake. Your honey might get stuck to the sides of your NutriBullet just because it's a cold dish. That's it. Give it a nice blitz. Incorporate it properly. Amazing. Kind of looks like mango sorbet. How amazing. Oh, look how delicious that is. Amazing, amazing. Get ready to plate. You wanna get all of your smoothie out of your blender, your NutriBullet, pop it into your bowl. This is unlike the other breakfasts that we have done before. This one does not have to be served hot. If you did, that would be weird. Pop your smoothie into the bowl like that. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely delicious. Right, let's get ready to garnish. This is, after all, a Weetbix and mango smoothie bowl. So you grab your Weetbix. Weetbix also offers a wide variety. I like, personally, the one with the muesli in it. It just has such a great flavor, but you can use the normal Weetbix, works just the same. You grab your Weetbix, crumble it on top. This adds roughage into your diet, also helps you stay regular. For those of you who have a problem with that, this is the meal for you. Roughage helps with the bowels. After you added your Weetbix in, this is obviously to your taste, how much you put on top. Garnish it with your blueberries. I like to add fruits of different colors. It just, you know, when you make a meal that looks inviting to eat, it tastes so much better. Chuck a bunch of your almonds. They say a handful of almonds is very good for you on the daily, so don't be shy. It's a good way to start your day. Your toasted coconut chips. Sound like Ashley. Pew, 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 pew. And lastly, I like the sourness that comes with passion fruit, or as we call it in South Africa, granadilla. And there you have it. Your Weetbix and mango smoothie bowl. Great, and as quick as that, your breakfast is ready. Let's give it a taste. Level 2 in South Africa, and everyone thinks it's Joyride Day today. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Fresh, beautiful, an amazing way to start your day. So thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Gotta Eat Breakfast Edition, because everyone has gotta eat. Okay, but seriously, try this.